Okay, today class, let's begin with, as always, we begin with the pronunciation. Okay, pronunciation drills. Let's practice saying some words first from yesterday's pronunciation drill. Okay, warm up class. Let's practice saying words with the ta sound in the end. Okay, danced. Again, danced. Watched. Sniffed. Sniffed. Laughed. Laughed. Talked. Talked. Helped. Helped. Washed. Washed. Kissed. Kissed. Relaxed. Relaxed. For the da sound in the end, let's practice grabbed. Grabbed. Say the da sound in the end, okay? Hugged. Hugged. Traveled. Traveled. Claimed. Claimed. Opened. Opened. Answered. Answered. Used. Why is it in the da sound? When letter S is in between two vowel letters, we have to say it with the Z sound. Used. Okay, let's practice. Used. Okay. Loved. Loved. Sneezed. Sneezed. Okay. More words? Okay. Id sound in the end this time. Needed. Needed. Wanted. Wanted. Okay, more D sound in the end. Played. Played. Enjoyed. Enjoyed. Followed. Followed. Tried. Tried. Continued. Continued. Okay, good. Today, we will practice saying words with the sh and ch sound. Okay? This might not be very easy for most of you. That's why we need to practice, okay? Because again, we are not native speakers of the English language, therefore we need to practice regularly. In English, the sounds sh and ch are different. Students sometimes mix them up because they can sound familiar. The sh sound is soft. The air comes out smoothly from your mouth. Example, let's say the following words. She. She. Shoe. Shoe. Fish. Fish. Wow, very good. That seems easy for you, huh? The cha sound is stronger. Cha. Okay? It is like a quick ta sound plus the sh sound. Okay? Example, the following words. Cheese. Cheese. Again, when letter S is in between two vowel letters, we have to say it with a Z sound. Okay? That's why cheese. Okay, good. Chair. Chair. Watch. Watch. Okay, good. Let's practice to hear and say these sounds correctly. Okay. The SH sound, what is it? The SH sound is voiceless. Okay? It means you don't need to use your vocal cords. Okay? Your tongue is near the top of your mouth, but not touching it. Air is pushed out between your tongue and the top of your mouth. Example, the following words. Let's say the following words. Ship. Ship. Again, ship. Okay. She. She. Wash. Wash. Shoes. Shoes. Cash. Cash. Okay, good. Tip. Think of the sound like you're shushing. Shh. Like you're saying quiet. Okay? Someone. Shh. Okay? Let's practice that. Shh. Okay. You can tell that to your little siblings. Next, the CH sound, the ch sound. What is it? The ch sound is a combination of the t, and sh sounds, the ta and the sh sounds. Okay? The tip of your tongue touches the top of your mouth, then quickly moves away while air is released. Your mouth opens a little at the end of the sound. Example. Let's say the following words. Chicken. Chicken. Chat. Chat. Church. Church. Chair, sorry. Chair. Chair. Match. Match. Okay, good. Say, okay, this is the tip. Say ta, but add sh at the same time, okay? That is how you blend the two sounds, okay? Say again. Ch. Ch. Okay. The sound a train makes in English can help you practice choo-choo. Say that, choo-choo. Like the sound of the train, okay? Okay. Let's watch this, and while watching, you have to repeat after the speaker, okay? Let's practice more, class. And then later, you're going to recite, okay, by pair. Okay? Repeat after teacher. Ships. Chips. Cheese. Cheese. Cash. Catch. Shin. Chin. Shop. Chop. Wish. Witch. Shock. Chalk. Wash. Watch. Very good. I think it's gonna be easy for you. I'll give you 5 minutes to practice with your pair. Okay?